Good morning children, welcome to Narayana online class. Now we are going to do class 7 maths assignment from the chapter exponents and powers. Here the first question, expand by expressing powers of 10 in the exponential form. So first we are going to expand the following numbers, after that we are going to express as the power of 10 in the exponential form. So first let us see how to expand this number as per the place wise. So 1 is there in 100th place, write 1 into 100, plus 7 is there in 10th place, write 7 into 10, plus 2 is there in 1's place, so 2 into 1. Now we are going to express power of 10. So 1 into 100 can be written as 1 into 10 to the power 2, plus 7 into 10 to the power 1, plus 2 into 10 to the power 0. Remember that anything to the power 0 gives 1 except 0. Now see the second one, 5643. 5 is there in 1000th place, write 5 into 1000, plus 6 is there in 100th place, write 6 into 100, plus 4 is there in 10th place, write 4 into 10, plus 3 is there in 1's place, so 3 into 1. So let us see how to express the power of the number 10. So 5 into 1000 can be written as 5 into 10 cube, plus 6 into 100 can be written as 6 into 10 to the power 2, plus 4 into 10 can be written as 4 into 10 to the power 1, and 3 into 1 can be written as 3 into 10 to the power 0. Now see the third question, 56,439. Here 56 in 5 is there in the place of 10,000. So write 5 into 10,000, plus 6 is there in 1000th place. Write 6 into 1000, plus 4 is there in 100th place. Write 4 into 100, plus 3 is there in 10th place. 3 into 10. 9 is there in 1's place. So 9 into 1. Now we are going to express with the powers of 10. So 5 into 10 to the power 4, plus 6 into 10 to the power 3, plus 4 into 10 to the power 2, plus 3 into 10 to the power 1, plus 9 into 10 to the power 0. See the fourth one, 1,76,428. Here 1 is there in 1 lakh place. So write 1 into 1 lakh. And then 7 is there in 10,000th place. Write plus 7 into 10,000. Plus 6 is there in 1000th place. Write 6 into 1000. Plus 4 is there in 100th place. Write 4 into 100. Plus 2 is there in 10th place. Write 2 into 10. Plus 8 is there in 1's place, write 8 into 1. Now we are going to express with the exponent of 10. So 1 into 10 to the power, there are 5 zeros. So 10 to the power 5 plus 7 into 10,000 can be written as 10 to the power 4, plus 6 into 1000 can be written as 10 to the power 3, plus 4 into 100 can be written as 4 into 10 to the power 2, plus 2 into 10 to the power 1, plus 8 into 10 to the power 0. So this is the exponential form of the power of 10. See the second question, express the following numbers in the standard form. So here are few numbers, now we are going to convert to its standard form. What is standard form? Standard form is nothing but expressing the number with only one digit at the integral part. So here is the decimal part. Now we are going to move the decimal parts with only one integral part. So as per that we can write 5.9853. For that we have moved the decimal place towards to left 3 digits. That's why we can able to multiply this number into 1000. Now we can also write this number as 5.9853 into 10 to the power 3. So this is the standard form of this number. Now see the next question, 65,950. So every whole numbers are having the decimal point at the end. As per that, now we are going to move this decimal plates in between 6 and 5. So 6.5950. For that we have moved this decimal place 4 digits towards to left. So we can able to multiply this number by 10,000. Now we can able to write 6.595. So the extreme right zero after the decimal points are valueless. So we can leave it into 10 to the power 4. This is the standard form of this number. See the next one. 34,30,000. So how to convert? We have to move the decimal place towards to left. So 3.43 into 10 to the power. How many decimal places we have moved towards to left? That number should be written in the power. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6.6 decimal places we have to move towards to left. So we have to write 10 to the power 6. Now take the last question. So 1, 10, 100,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore, 100 crore and 1000 crore. So this is the number. 7,004 crores are here. Now we are going to convert as 7.004 into 10 to the power. Check how many digits we have taken from last to 7. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 decimal places we have moved towards to left. So you can write 10 to the power 10 is the standard form of this given number. See the third question. Bacteria can divide in every 20 minutes. So one bacterium can multiply to 2 in 20 minutes, 4 in 40 minutes and so on. How many bacteria will there be in 6 hours? Write your answer using exponents, then evaluate. So we have learned most of bacteria are reproducing by the cell division method. So here the bacteria is doubles itself in every 20 minutes. We know that 1 hour is 60 minutes and 6 hours 6 into 60 360 minutes. So number of times the bacteria is doubles itself. Now we are going to find number of times the bacteria doubles itself. So divide 20 from the total hours. So 20 each 20 minutes it is dividing itself. So we have to divide 360 by 20. We will get 18. So 18 times the bacteria is doubled itself. So the question, how many bacteria will there be in 6 hours? There will be 2 to the power 18 numbers of bacteria totally in that division. 18 times it doubled itself can be written as 2 to the power 18. Thus there will be 2 to the power 18 numbers of bacteria will be there at the end of 6 hours. See the fourth question. Write the numbers of second in scientific notation. So here the unit and the respective seconds they have given. Now we are going to convert to the scientific notation. Let us see 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. Can be written as 6 into 10. Otherwise 6 into 10 to the power 1. In terms of scientific notation we can able to write like that. Like that say 1 hour is 3600 seconds can be written as 3.6 into 10 to the power 3 decimal places we have moved towards to left. So 10 to the power 3. See the next one. 1 day is equal to 86,400 seconds they have given. Let us convert into scientific notation. So 8.64 into 4 decimal places we have moved towards to left. So we can write 10 to the power 4. The next question, 1 month is equal to 26 lakh of seconds. So we can able to write 2.6 into 10 to the power. How many decimal places moved towards to left? 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 decimal places we have moved towards to left. See the next one. 1 year is equal to 3 crore 20 lakhs. So can be written as 3.2 into 10 to the power How many decimal places we have moved? 7. So 10 to the power 7. See the last one. 10 years can be calculated as 32 crores of seconds. So we can able to write 3.2 into 10 to the power. Check how many decimal places have moved towards to left. 8. So 10 to the power 8. Thank you.